Here I am upstairs, looking out to the street. My car, which was cleared off last night. Snowbanks in my driveway. I love that tree. Looks like there's a body buried there on the porch, huh? That had no snow on it earlier in the week. That's going down towards my apartment in the back. I'm done. I am so done with this snow. Beautiful or not, I am done with it.